Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if voicemail notification want to go away on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side button and restart device from here. After restart device, you will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and search phone app from here. After click on phone app, click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, you will check your problem is solved, but if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on backup and reset phone and click on reset all setting, enter phone pin and click on reset. So if just reset all setting, it's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if voicemail notification want to go away on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.